Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, I do have a question for you today. Are you ready for tax season, or are you waiting for that panic mode? Let's be honest. Most business owners fall into that second camp, and I don't want that to be you this year. So, let's drop a hands up emoji into that chat if tax season usually sneaks up on you. There's no shame. This is a safe place. Now, here's the truth. Taxes don't happen to you only in April. Taxes are the result of everything that you did all year long. If you wait until spring to figure it all out, it's really too late to make any changes. That's why preparing now in the fall, it's your secret weapon. Think of it this way. Would you rather walk into tax season with confidence or scramble around at the last minute, pulling receipts out of the box or in your inbox at the last minute? Really? So let's tell me in that chat, are you more of a prepared folder on your desk type of person, or are you that random shoebox of receipts type of person? So one of the smartest moves that you can really make in projecting your taxes before the year end is that you can see what you'll actually owe if there's any smart moves to make while you still have them. So here's how we do it. We're going to take your year-to-date profit from your financials. We're going to estimate your tax rate. For most of your businesses, it's a blended rate, not just one flat number, obviously. And then we're going to multiply that profit by that rate. And bam, you got an estimate of what it is that's coming. So this doesn't have to be perfect, of course, because even a ballpark number gives you that power. It takes you out of the dark and into planning mode. So would it give you peace of mind to know that your tax bill months before it's due is that you know what that's going to be? Drop a check mark in the chat if that would be a yes from you. So now let's talk about what records you should start pulling together right now. Because we don't want to wait until April when your accountant is calling you in a panic. We're going to start a folder. Yes, we're going to start either a physical or a digital folder. And we're going to gather these things together right now. We want receipts for any great big purchases that you've made throughout the year. We want mileage logs if you drive a vehicle for business, a personal vehicle for business, or a business vehicle. Those mileage logs are very, very important. And you want all of your payroll reports. All of those things, we need to have all of them documented. Then you want any bank and credit card statements, all of those bank and credit card statements. Then you need any contractors that you've been using all year. You need W-9s from every single contractor that you have paid throughout the year. Doesn't matter the dollar amount at this point. You need a W-9 from every single contractor. So I don't know if I'm still live or not, but we're going to keep going. Now, having these things ready to go will save you a ton of headaches and probably save you money because you're not going to miss any deductions. Now, who here has at least one pile of papers on their desk right now that really belong in a tax folder? Go ahead. It's okay to admit it. Now, finally, we're going to talk about avoiding any surprises because April should feel like another step in your financial routine, not a fire drill. So here's 3 easy ways to do that. We want to make estimated tax payments quarterly, and that's only if you've been in business for over a year, obviously, but If you've been in business for over a year, you're going to make those quarterly tax payments, even if you slightly overpay. It keeps you safe. And we're going to use your field application and your accounting system to stay on top of your profit, so you always know where you stand. Then we want to talk to your tax professional before year end, not after, because that's when the real planning happens. Whoever that tax professional is, then we can connect and work together. So just drop a light bulb in the chat if one of these steps feels like a game changer for you, because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to help you. So here's the bottom line. Tax season doesn't have to be scary. If you project your taxes now, gather those records early, and put a few simple systems in place, because April is just another step, not a stress point. And I'll say it again. Panic mode is optional. Preparation is powerful. Now, if you want to help figuring out your year-end numbers, or if you're tired of tax season being stressful, send me a message after this live, and I'd love to help you walk into April with clarity instead of chaos. Before you go, tell me in the chat, what's the one thing about tax season that stresses you out the most? And let's get it out in the open. So thanks so much, and I hope you all have an amazing day.